Isn't this the new students? Wait, did the school hire a stripper or what?
Probably she didn't even know.
Tochi, what is this? What are you wearing?
We know you just can't wait to enter the street hole. This school is just a disguise for you.
Bro, shut up. What are you?
What are you doing? Stop it.
Why are you stressing yourself? Look at, this is exactly who she is. Eh?
Tochi, this doesn't make sense now.
Why are you stressing yourself for it?
Bro, that's not the nice
This is
thing to
exactly
say.
who she is.
What doesn't make sense, Trey? This is what the girls are wearing. And I'm wearing this with them. We
Tochi.
agreed to dress like this.
Tochi, I saw the girls this morning and this is not what they are wearing. Even if this is what they are wearing, what you are wearing makes no sense. Take.
Stop, Trey. Stop it. I don't need that. Leave me alone.
Come, Joe.
Where are you taking me to
Bro,
stop?
bro.
What are you talking about?
What's going on here? Tochi, see me in my office now.
You are laughing at me.
Ma, please, I'm begging you. 3 weeks suspension is too much. I promise she will never do this again. Please.
I see your pain, woman. But, Tochi, why will you dress like this to the school? A learning environment. And you, the mother, you allowed her dressed, like this to school.
I swear I saw her leave the house in her school uniform. She was not dressing like this. She must have changed to this when she got to school.
I don't think so. What do you have to say?
Benita and her friends, they made me wear this. They said it's our costume for career day.
Seriously? What career are you talking about?
This is supposed to be a nurse costume.
Nurse costume? Where on earth have you seen a nurse dressed this way?
I thought we were supposed to twist it a little bit for career day.
We? Who are the we?
So Benita deceived you into wearing this. Tochi! Benita deceived you into wearing this. And you agreed!
It's okay, madam. Benita, did you really make her wear this to school?
This? No, man. Look at what we're wearing. Look at what she's wearing. It's not the same.
That's a lie. Say the truth.
I mean, Ma, I don't understand what exactly is going on here, but look at her. She's practically dressed like a slut.
What? You used that language in my office? You don't do that. Please watch your tongue. This is an institution of learning. Don't say that.
Okay, fine. So why exactly am I here then? Is there a problem? Do I need to call my father?
You don't need to do that. You can go now.
Thank you, Mom.
Hi. Because you lied to me and to the school authority, I'm going to give you 2 weeks suspension.
Please. Have mercy. I'm begging you, she will never repeat a thing like this again. Please. Please. Please.
This is a serious matter.
I know.
This is a serious matter.
I am sorry, Ma.
You better be sorry. Tochi, do you remember you are a scholarship student? You know what that means? Do you want to lose that privilege? Do you want to lose that privilege? Answer me. If we had called parents in as usual, you would have been appalled by your outfit and asked for immediate expulsion. If this very conduct of yours is a dent on the image of the school, what's going on?
She's having a attack. Oh. Are you okay?
Please. I am begging you with everything you hold dear. Have mercy. My daughter just got involved with the wrong crowd. She listened to the wrong people.
I understand your pain. What your daughter did should not be associated with a good child that has a good home training. And moreover, this is a learning ground. Anyway, because of your mother, I am going to reduce the suspension to just 3 days. And when you come back, you are going to do what we call sanitation service and detention for 1 week.
She will do that. She will do it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Let's go home.
To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up.
I told you those girls are bad news, but you didn't listen. Just look at the trouble you landed yourself into.
Oh, I'm sorry for not listening to you. Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. For 2 days now, the suspension is over. It ended 2 days ago. Huh? Tochi, you need to go back to school.
I don't want to go back to that school.
You have to. This is a crucial period. Exams will soon begin. You can't afford to miss any paper. Remember? You have exams. Yeah, schools, they're coming. Oh, Trey.
Yes, ma'am.
How have you been?
I know.
What are you doing here?
Tochi, I came to take you to school.
I'm not going back to that school. And you're not going to make me.
I've tried, but she's not listening. Oh, please, pardon my manners. Sit. Let me get her something to eat. Excuse me.
Tochi. Tochi, why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you beating yourself over something you don't have control? Do you know how you worked hard to get the scholarship into the school? Moreover, it's the school of your dreams. Did you want to throw that away because of what happened last week? Tochi, I know you to be a very brave and smart girl, but at this point, I need you to be the strongest girl ever. For the sake of people that believe in you. For the sake of mommy. Everybody. Do you want to throw this once in a lifetime opportunity away? Please, I'm begging you. Huh? Please come back to school. Don't cry.
Haven't you done enough? No, apparently not. I want you to stop hanging with Trey, but you obviously don't listen.
And I suggest you stay and listen, you pig.
Shut up, Anna. You're nothing but a puppet.
She's right, you know.
Shut up, Sophia. Should have never crossed my path. I keep warning you to stay away from Trey, but you don't want to listen.
Why do you keep pushing yourself on someone who doesn't even see you?
Oh, she found her voice. You know, I should have allowed them expel you. You're just a good-for-nothing, gullible piece of nobody.
Gone some way.
You and that your mother. Shut up! Are you mad? Are you mad? What do you want to do?
What is your problem, Benita? What's your problem? Is it until she gets expelled? How desperate can you be? What is you people's problem now?
So,
it's okay, please.
You're talking to
yes,
me
it's until you expel her.
because of this girl.
What's your
Because
problem?
of this girl.
Will you beat her?
Because of I will you there I go. Yeah, I will beat
Try everything.
Free of living, collective students.
Free. Okay, fine. Go! Like a dog on a leash. Go! I'm talking to you. It's okay. It's not okay.
It's not okay. I thought you was better than that anyway.
It's okay, you don't touch me like that. Better you learn. What are you doing?
It's really going to help her.
What is wrong with you people? Are you going to help her? You caused the trouble for her. What's your problem? If you guys cannot help her, then go. You caused this nonsense for her.
No, I'm not going anywhere. What will you do?
I don't blame you people.
Go where? Where are you taking her to? She's right where she belongs. I mean, considering the fact that she's trash, and she's picking up the trash, it's like a family.
Tochi. Tochi! Are you guys planning to do something now?
What? She's joking. No, come on, it has to be a joke, right? Okay, just stop it now.
Okay?
It's okay, just stop being so...
Benita, let's go.
No, we can't leave her like
Benita, let's go.
Leave her.
Let's go.
is right for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be.
Heavenly Father, we've come to you with a broken heart and we commit our dearest friend, Tochi, into thy able hands, and we pray that you do not take her away from us, Lord. Revive her, O Lord, make her whole again. We ask that you please wipe away the tears of we, her friends, O Lord. Calm the broken-hearted, Lord. Mend us, Lord. Listen to the pleas of the poor mother, Lord, and bring her back to us. We beg you that you please heal her and do not take her away from us, Lord. Please, I ask this because what you cannot do does not exist. What you cannot do, Lord, do not exist, and I believe you're going to do this for us. I beg and plead in the name of Jesus. Amen.
With every step you take and every move you make, your light will keep on shining. There's land from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no
God,
limitation.
Tochi doesn't deserve this at all. I can't bear the pain of losing her to the claws of death. Should anything happen to her, not even her mother can afford to lose her. She's a harmless, self-effacing and brilliant young girl. God, I may not have appreciated you enough for the things you've been doing for me. But please, do this one thing again for me. God, don't allow Tochi to die. Please, God. Losing her will create a very great vacuum in our family that will remain forever. Please.
Whether you reach upon a limitation to what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you.
What could be the reason for her ailment?
It's stronger than it feels.
Have I been responsible for it? I really feel for her. My God, please don't let her die. Tochi is too kind and innocent to die young. Please, God, forgive me for my own wayward doing. And do not let me die of a heart attack. I promise to turn over a new leaf. God, please.
You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try.
Daniel, are you crying? No, are you really crying? You know how you bullied this girl? You, Benita, every single one of you. Do you know how you bullied Tochi? Now she's, God forbid, she's half dead. Can you just leave her alone? What?
Can you wake up now? Please don't die. Please.
How? Daniel, how?
You need an inhaler.
What?
Sorry.
Daniel, are you mad? How could you be so wicked, Daniel?
No, honestly, I'm so sorry.
The other day Tochi was locked up in the toilet and I rescued her. Was it you? Daniel, was it you?
No, I'm sorry.
You better say the truth or else. Tell everybody what you did.
Trey, are you okay?
Will you get out of this place and don't talk to me? You bully. Every single one of you bullied her. You, Benita, you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about Tochi, but I didn't mean any harm. I'm sorry.
Are you happy with yourselves now? No, tell me, are you happy with yourself? You people were always quick to remind her about her poor background. You did every chance you got to bully her, you took advantage of it. Are you happy? Tochi is half dead now. If she's not dead, are you happy? You might never get to see her again. I hope you know that. You were always reminding her she was poor. You especially. I hope you learn from this. I hope you all learn from this. I don't understand. What nonsense face are you even making? If tomorrow never comes for that girl, can you live with the scar? Can you live with what you have done? Can you live with it? If it was your sister, can you handle it? No, you people are big girls now. You are big girls of the school. Are you happy with what you've done? Shut up! And you Daniel. You Daniel, I didn't expect that from you. You think everybody's scared of you. You think being a bully makes you powerful. It makes you weak. It makes you weak, bro. Just pray that Tochi survives. Just pray that Tochi survives, or else.
I can't survive without my daughter. I can't live without Tochi.
Adam, I'm truly sorry.
She's lying helpless, lifeless almost, at the hospital. And the doctor said she can't survive without a heart transplant.
Dana, are you alright? Are you okay?
Is anything the matter?
I did it.
You did what?
You did what? Talk now. Talk. I took Tochi's inhaler and hid it.
What?
I'm sorry, I didn't know. I just wanted to teach her a lesson. I didn't know. What?
Oh my God. You killed her almost. She's your sister. For heaven's sake, she is your blood sister. You just killed us. You killed her. Almost. Daniel, you have killed your twin sister.
Adama, you promised. Adama, you promised.
Mom, what is she talking about? Mom, I'm asking you, what is she talking about? Dad, can anyone answer me?
Daniel, Tochi is your twin sister. Yes, that is what she's talking about.
I was young. I had no family. No one at all. I was employed here to work as a help. At that time, your dad and mom were always at loggerhead because she had girls without a son. On a fateful weekend, your mother left for her parents' house for the weekend with your 4 sisters, and your dad came in drunk. He took advantage of me. That was how I got pregnant.
So you're my mother. And Tochi is my twin sister.
Yes. I had both of you the same day.
Is this even...
But your birthdays were altered because of the lie. We did it to maintain the lie. When I was pregnant with you and your twin sister, Mrs. Olu sent me out of the house. But she later let it slide because she heard I was pregnant with twins, a boy and a girl. She let me into the house again after so many weeks. On the street. I gave me an option that when I deliver of my babies, she would take the male, since she had 4 girls already, and I would take the female. I refused. But at some point, I had no choice. I mean, how would I have survived with 2 children on the street without the roof over our heads? I concurred. So when I gave birth, I handed you over to them and live with my Tochi. I begged them to allow me stay close so that I can take care of you and your sister while you grow. But they made me take an oath that I would not reveal to anyone, even you nor your sister, you are my son. Until now. Until now.
I killed my own twin sister. And you let this happen. Then how could you? How could you even let this happen?
Daniel, don't blame me. So at that time, I had nothing. I was broke. I was totally broke. She was the one with the money, and I had to play along. You know, a poor man has no say of his own. So I had to play along. If I didn't, she would have kicked me out, and I would have just gone to the street. I wouldn't have the money to take care of that man and Tochi. So please don't blame me. Don't look at me like that. That is the truth. That is the truth. Florence, don't look at me like that. It is the truth. You know I'm telling the truth. If not my condition that time, these things wouldn't have happened like this. Son, please forgive me. Please. I meant well. Never mind. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. Honestly.
Please, I'm so sorry. I didn't know, honestly. I've hated you for so long, but I didn't know. I'm so sorry, please. Please, can you just forgive me, please? Leave me alone! Don't you dare touch me! Please. I'm sorry, please. Sorry for the way I've treated you. I'm sorry for the way I've treated Tochi. Please. Please for me. Forgive me, please. I'm deeply sorry, please. Please. Please.
I'm hugging my son for the first time in my life.
Sorry.
Anything I can do, please. I'll donate my heart to Tochi.
What?
Yes. I put her in a situation. I have to do it.
What did you just say?
Give your heart?
Giving your heart means you will die to save her. Is that what you're saying?
Then so be it.
I will never allow. No one is dying. I can't watch my child being buried. My heart is broken, Daniel. You've wronged me and your sister so deeply. If you have another chance with her, love her. Protect her. Always be there for her. Promise me. Promise me.
Promise you. Okay, I promise you. I promise you.
Respect them. They are your parents. Respect them. Always. Forgive them. Always be there for your sister. Promise me.
Promise you. I promise you.
Mr. Olu, promise me that nothing will happen to my daughter.
For sure. I promise with all my heart. Whatever I can do, she will not die. You have done so much.
My heart belongs to my daughter. My heart will always belong to my daughter.
Are you okay?
I am so tired. I'm so broken. I need to take a nap.
No.
I don't know where you're going to. I need to take a nap.
So sorry. Careful, careful.
So, I'm sorry for everything. I forced your father and your mother to sign an agreement that will put you in my position. I needed a son so badly to consolidate my marriage because I had no son of my own. I made Adama to sign to be the surrogate. I should keep Tochi while I keep you. I'm sorry, son. Please forgive me. I love you, son.
Daniel, please just calm down, okay? Calm down. Try to understand us, myself and your mom. The situation we find ourselves then was beyond our control. Believe us. Son, we're very sorry, but just calm down. We had the best of intentions. Okay? Please calm down. Doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor. Please, Doctor.
The good news is Tochi is alive and can go with two people.
Okay.
Thank God.
Doctor, what about
There's no way she could make it, given her own heart, for Tochi to leave.
you have to do something, doctor. Okay? Like there's something you can do.
There's nothing I can do, I'm sorry.
Doctor, please, there's something you can
Take
do.
heart.
Doctor, can I see Tochi, please?
Yes, you can see Tochi. Just go to the ICU hall.
Doctor, please.
Doctor, you have to do something. Doctor, please.
There's nothing I can do, I'm sorry.
Okay, don't think it. Doctor, please.
Yes.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take and every move you make. Your light will keep on shining. Just learn from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. Just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it. Wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone